Came up here to check out this little avalanche.
Little? Huge. Oh, it smells good.
So where's the real road? So what's this road versus this road? Oh, I think maybe somebody cut the new road in right there. Look at all the snow. Oh yeah, there's a dead elk.
I can.
There's no flies on it.
That animal there.
So many flies on it.
Still got some snow up in this. What? Pretty crazy stuff.
You can keep going.
I know I can keep going.
So far.
Let's get out and check it out. Park up here off the road just a little bit. Listen to that.
But
Yeah.
just a little further up there on the hill.
Yeah. See
Uh-huh.
that tree over there?
I see it.
It's right behind that.
Mhm.
Good girl.
Avalanches are crazy. Look at all this debris.
Hello, Joe.
Seriously, that's just cool.
I love it. I love
There's another one that had come down.
Let's go, little Joe.
Stopped right there, it looks like.
It's just amazing how powerful it is.
These trees are just uprooted and broken. Whew. Cool stuff. Cool stuff.
Dad should set up a dash cam here.
Why? Nothing's gonna happen.
Jojo.
Daddy.
Hey,
Daddy.
come on. Oh, oh, wow. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Hey, wipe it off. You're okay. It's just dirt.
It's okay. It's just kind of slippery, huh? You're okay.
Jojo. Hi, girls.
That
Good
tree looks fun to
girls.
walk on.
Does it?
Hey, baby. Jojo. Hey, for once she's actually letting me pet.
Hi, sweetie. Hi.
Good
girl.
Adventure. Adventure today.
Jojo, come on.
What's that? Yeah, this is pretty crazy. Look at that. The gas can up here. Wondering if that don't look like it should belong here. Somebody might have dropped it off. There's the dead elk. Yeah.
Crazy.
I said he thinks it was partially a mudslide too.
Yeah.
It's just a crazy amount of debris. Maybe this will be a good spot for some mountain coon hunting. Bring the terriers up here, toss them in these piles. That'd be nuts. But yeah, pretty crazy. I know this might be kind of a boring video, but whatever. We're gonna head back to the Jeep and go up a little farther, check stuff out. Just go explore a little bit more with the kiddos, you know. Sunday adventures. Woo woo. Alright, what's that clicking noise in the front end? Why I'm in four-wheel drive. I don't know what the problem is, but it does it while I'm in four-wheel drive. What's the issue? Is it my front drive line? I don't know. There sure is a lot of ATV, UTV tracks going up this trail here that says no UTVs on the trail. ATVs, UTVs. Same thing, right? Says no ATVs. But here they are, riding on the trail where they shouldn't be. All because they're lazy, I guess. I don't know. Get out and walk. Whatever you do not let your kid fall in that hole. You will lose him. That's kind of dangerous. That's kind of cool though. I like that. Little trail. Looks like it dead ends. We could probably hike up. Let's go check out and see what's up here. Let's go check it out. Man, this is awesome. Awesome. I like it. It's really pretty. Well, looks like our little trail on this side dead-ended on us, so now we'll go explore another little area, huh? What should we do? Should we do it? Yeah, let's do it. Alright, I'm gonna jump this. I'm gonna jump it. Whoa! Yeah. Did you see that? I jumped it. You're a weirdo. Yeah, check it out. I'm gonna jump it again. Oh yeah. Yeah. Woo, woo. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah. Check that out. Found another little gem. Woo. Pretty cool. Ain't it? Sunday adventures. Can you say that?
Sunday adventures.
Look at the camera.
Sunday adventures.
Woo!